Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. Schoolyard Brawl. Full story. There was a very dark-skinned, heavy-set woman, let's call her Daisy. She had lots of children with a man who she lived with. Both live in a popular parish in Jamaica. Her daughter could not read or write. Let's call her Tika. Whatever Tika writes, the teacher said it looks like Chinese language. She got into an argument at school with a little girl, let's call her Maya, and some other children. Tika rushed home and told her mother about the argument, acting like the victim. The mother and a very dark-skinned wizard-looking man went to an Obeah man about Maya. They sent an evil attack on Maya one morning when she was in school, and Tika's brothers started to brag about it. Maya started to feel sick. She felt the need to throw up and felt like she was about to have a bowel movement. Her face changed to a dark color. A female spirit started to follow her. She got a dream about how Tika put a small clear marble in her hand and it burst into liquid in her palm. After the dream, things got worse than ever. Maya saw the woman at the school one morning, planting something in the ground. Her granny moved her from that school to another school until she sent Maya to the USA. Maya was about 10 years old, and before she was sent to the US she got really sick. They had to take her to a lady in white who wrapped her head and bathed her in bushes. The female spirit stopped following her. One of Daisy's sons was unalived by a firearm. The other son was unalived when he fell from a tree and a branch go up his backside. That was the end of him. That was the same son who was bragging about what the mother did and what's going to happen to Maya. One of her daughters got a blow of Obeah and was hospitalized cray as a bed bug. Her second-to-last daughter was impregnated several times by men who denied her. The illiterate daughter, Tika, who took the little girl's name to her mother, her body was always hard like a tomboy. One morning the mother was going to the market. She put a bag of farm products out and went back to sleep and never woke up. She passed away very suddenly in her sleep. The older children had to beg money for her final expenses to bury her. The sin falls on her children.
Like and follow for more. Remember to follow us on YouTube. Link in bio.